This is the string utilization. And just to quickly catch you up, since we are such a small group, there's 5 new, they're used as action tags. So if you look at the external module itself and look at the documentation, you can see what those action tags are. And since you kind of like getting into the details of REDCap, you won't be able, once you add the module, you can't just go to the action tag and call it up. You have to just input this yourself. So in the example, I'll add a new record here. So for the name, we were using the not put any leading spaces in, I think. So notice if I hit the space key, it automatically goes back so that you get a true. Actually, I used to get rid of all spaces. So if I try to put in a space next to Smith, I can't. So that's the get rid of all, the go away thing. There we are. So that's the trim this. Okay, there's also a left trim that will just trim the left side. Okay, and then field length. If you look at this, the field length is string length, so it'll tell you how long a field is. So I think we set that to email field actually, but the abbreviation is set to all caps. So if you type in, little, lowercase letters, and this happens with state abbreviations. A lot of times we'll put a capital A and a small z or whatever. This gives you some kind of standard, and everything is capitalized. Email, if you put in an email address, this then will count the number of characters, and the substring we have set up to use this sort of functionality where you want to start, how long of a string do you want to return. And so if you look at the behind the scenes, something like the substring looks like this. And again, this is not something you can find if you go to action tag. I would recommend you use the documentation, copy that, paste it in there, and then you'll be able to use that substring. So anyway, that was the string utilization function.